The man cover the world, man, because there is a worldwide, you know, where the man depend, you know, everywhere the man there, the name been calling all over the world. A world boss, man.
But you can stack it up. Cartel bleach, you know, the whole nation bleach, you know.
Yes.
Cartel tattoo, the whole nation tattoo, you know.
Them say freak, couldn't forget freaky, because the
Everything
dog a world
cartel
boss
say them
too.
do. Say man find some responsive world.
Yeah, man, they control the world, man.
Nah, man. Bawdacat, I must know Gaza you live. You are one of the biggest Gaza fans I know. Story time by Bawdacat and friends.
Coming back now in a bedroom. Mom's asked him, say, then now what this? He said, I don't really remember what, but Mom's tell him what. Said, this a cocky stone. And you hear me now? All when the food now in the house, make sure this rascal there. All time. Such man start fret your fucking brother, cause mile and journey this now, you know. Such man have to go take on, you know.
Yes, man. A man try make him know.
Trouble him put himself in.
Yeah.
Problem him put self in.
Yeah, man. Him if he dodge it.
Sure you say you did want fix up long time.
Right, brother.
Long time.
So,
such man now fix up yard.
Right.
Yes, sir, mom's prefer that in our house more than food.
More than
Yeah,
food.
of course.
That mom's tell him say all when food not there.
Yeah.
Make sure
This
this
piece
there.
of stuff will look like
So
coconut
anyway you forget it when this done.
Yeah, go on, go
Make
get.
sure you get more care, brother. Fuck such man just in a trouble, you know.
with the blood.
So moms love sex, man. My gosh. Stone half in the yard. Even if food not there, you have to have the stone out. Such man. These such man stories about a cat story. Yeah, man. Have to be. We're moving forward. I don't know enjoy the video. I don't know have a laugh, a kin on the teeth, but just like the video for me. YouTube not promoting the videos at all, but I appreciate you guys being here. Just like the video. Bluetooth.
Remember good no man? Yeah man, cause that same work they went put on last night, you know.
Moms
that
have
have to go
want
continue
again.
there.
Yeah,
man, no make it happen to you here, brother.
Yeah, so if I this make
Yeah.
you go on, so
Make
try
sure
make
it there.
sure say this
Yeah
there.
man, make sure that they are. Just in a trouble, you know.
Oh, you fuck
Remember
me.
good no man?
Yes,
Yeah
brother.
man.
Hey, a real thing, man. Sometimes you look for life and feel like life I want to sit there, you know, but brother, make it tell man.
Can I fix up out a road and left yard
You
shaky,
can't
man?
do that. You can't do that. You have to
What
fix
yard
up
do,
yard.
man? You fix up your yard, man.
Yeah, man.
So
you
we
have
are
a
going to do?
problem.
Buy 3/4 milk, carry me to yard and carry a little pint around a wifey. That no look good, brother.
No, sir.
That can't look good, man. You fix up round a yard. Yeah, mate no can't drink 1 pint.
You carry 3/4
Hey.
yard and pint of milk.
And pint round a mate.
Yeah.
Man.
Make sure say your yard fix up before you touch your road. Cause matey, I go give you one, you know, regardless, you know, cause woman on the side, she wants somebody who is her man. She want a man for herself, so she gonna be out there searching. Matter of fact, your woman in your yard 70% of the time she has searched too. So just imagine the woman where you side woman. But anyways, make sure say you had good. You put in the work.
Yeah. So
Who want Bex? Bex.
if me to get $5,000,
Yeah.
yeah, get 15 or 20.
15 or 20.
Definitely.
So simple to the thing, brother, man.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. Left yard shaky, man. We yard drop mats. Yeah, man. Drop catch for show, man. It don't
But
work
if
so,
him
man.
never go road and the woman no turn up, mom gonna get that now.
Yes, a disappointment cause something good thing other
Disappointment
find
cause
for other
that.
people,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Somehow with disappointment, you know, where that reach to other people.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So, right, that's how you go.
True.
Yeah, man.
True.
So, man.
Fix up moms properly.
Yes, no, man.
Yeah, man. I just disappointment cause that, you know.
Yeah, man. Disappointment.
Yeah, man. No cuss about all like disappointment, them, bro.
No, because some of them are feel good, you know.
Some of it good.
Yeah, man. Some of them are feel good. Because I see them thing me I tell you, say, disappointment fuck up in a career.
Yeah.
One time you have one little coolie man we got court, you know, there. And when the man got court the day, he just disappoint him and give him 5 years of prison.
Me laugh because if you did just cut off on Bawdacat, brother, then you're disappointed him and give him 5 years of prison. Boop, boop. But anyways, always fix up a yard. Make sure say your woman get enough loving, food, money in her pocket. You see me I say? And ladies, make sure say you fix up your man too. Make sure say you're readily available to give him on loving. You understand? Anyways, we'll move forward to the next Bawdacat story and friends. Or Bawdacat and friends story time.
You know when I see reach someone, him come a party, you know. Or him come a road left with the money to come buy. But you know, but I start buying a start party with the girl them. What happened to him like more? Him money done and he not buying a yet. Him gone home with that in a pocket.
So in drink off him money.
You make the girl and drink you out. And he may not get enough.
Before you make them know straight say here one
me come for buy.
So if you plan to drink out this, you have to go give me a fuck.
We go for and come back, we can't drink out this, I mean not yet. We go for and come back and you drink out this. So you're gonna make girl just come tell us, say, yeah man, we can't drink out this, I mean you go for more. That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen. Your money done and girl gone about them business, gonna look some more man where they have money and stick on to them. You all shame now if you go there, so you know about dollar, you know.
Your money not done.
Your money not done. So this is where the famous line come from. That not gonna happen. That will never happen. Just like our Bawdacat, you go a club, you go trust front. That not gonna happen. That will never happen. Let's continue.
Your money done. Y'all don't want you amongst them no more. You look like raw seed. You turn up in one corner, buck one sleep, all them blood.
So
yeah,
where you go home go do? You go home go back feast then?
You go home go juggle balls.
I remember you did done. You did done come with your money if you buy your.
You come a place man and you go look for girl and you order your you go f man and
order.
You know what I mean? Them not sell, them a sell. And you go buy a girl a drink after you done if you want to buy him a drink. But you come and buy a girl drink straight and you know how that yet. Your money done.
No money no left.
Then there's something that have to reach you if you're a real man a road brother. I'm going to lick a fool man, the girl and do then something, you know. When then see real man come all night place with your money, then left you alone, then we even look fine. Because then if them go ask you for anything, them have to go.
You go to the club, you got order sex. A shop, I sell them I sell. So I guess it's a sex shop. Where Bawdacat get film story them, I don't know. All I know them, they make me laugh until tears are come on my eye, I swear. Alright then, we have a few more videos. We'll move forward. This a lady, who? Auntie Dana. What Auntie Dana do with in a Bawdacat videos? Who did this next? Anyways, we're gonna watch it.
When me twist up down a town to help this girl and this girl disappoint me already.
A girl did a leader from day one.
I say, oh my God, it's Saturday, I put you in the house. People send them hard-earned money and you have a young baby by your breast. And you bring in another man in here. You bring a man in here already.
The man them plan for you, man. Yeah, man, the man them plan for you.
One of the person called and asked me if I receive the money from King. And I said no.
Girl, when mart out your pocket. And when daylight you gone around with your tool in your pocket, a juggle balls.
Some people say, me a ball for and I go see who are the real King. That's why I'm telling you, say me no want help no young girl.
Never me tell you go do it. I never me send you go do it.
I tell you the truth, the way I feel now, to take back on the money.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Who made this mix? Who made this video? Well, Auntie Dana, you have to be careful who you help here, man, because guess what? Them people, they bite the hand we feed them, but that's how they stay. They worse than Bruno and Betsy. I kid you not. Moving forward.
Hi.
Hi. You have any question for Cat?
Yeah, me have one question for ask Cat.
Ask me, okay, look, you sound strong though. Yeah.
Yes, me strong by 10 bag of cement.
Yeah, sir.
Why you name Cat? Is because you eat pum pum?
That's how I like to think. No, that's not the topic, no man.
Topic
What you say?
was, and that's the topic.
And that just tell me ask you the
I go
question.
think that way there.
Yeah.
Let me not answer you, man. I told me could
What
have
you say?
DJ like Super Cat. I told me could have DJ.
You said you could have DJ.
Yeah.
Well, that good.
I always wonder about Bawdacat name as well. Why he name Bawdacat? Knowing how us Jamaicans portray cat. Bawcat, Bawdacat, Bawda. It almost sound close to Bawdacat. A Bawcat, you know? A Bawcat. I hope cat not see the video and send me a cease and desist if you start using video them, but Bawdacat. Bawcat. You see it? Anyways, we come to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, had a laugh. I sure did. If you guys like the video, like it. If you like it, share it with your friends, your family, your neighbor, and your dirty foot nasty ex. Ooh. And subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a video. What else? I don't know. But thanks for tuning in. Stay safe. God bless.